Okay, so I have this piece here that I was working on yesterday. I love the way my sunset came out, but then my fields were too green compared to the sunset. So now I'm reworking it. This is something that I love about alcohol ink, the fact that you can work on it, and as you're working on it, it's almost like the ink directs you as to where you're gonna go with the piece. So I've taken most of the green off. You can kind of tell from my paper towel. Love this texturing right through here, so we're definitely gonna leave this, and I'm gonna rework the bottom and see what comes out. I'm just gonna use my brush to kind of put some color in to the piece for right now. And then allow the ink to kind of work in here a little bit. I'm really excited about this piece. I love this sunset. The color that I'm using right now is Volcanic Ash from T-Rex Inks. I like this color for something like darkening up where there's a sunset because it almost has a little bit of a greenish tint to it. So it really works well with the idea of these are supposed to be fields, but of course we're darkening. I like that little bit of greenish tint to the gray that I'm working into the piece. And then I have this mixture here. It's just alcohol with about 5 drops of glycerin in it, and it allows the ink to be workable for longer. And so as I'm kind of moving it around, it gives me a little bit more freedom to be able to really get those colors in where I want them. And I don't know how many people are from Nebraska or in the area, the Midwest, I suppose. But here we really have a lot of kind of flat, kind of short rolling hills in Nebraska. And so when you look out over, you're gonna get all these kind of different levels to the fields. And that's what I'm trying to portray a little bit, where the fields would be almost like rolling hills as I'm working them here. So you can kind of see that where there's a little bit of definition, it almost looks like there are trees back in here. And in fact, I might go ahead and put a little bit almost like we do have trees back in here, because that really is what Nebraska is like. And this entire series is kind of based on those things that I really love about Nebraska. You look out over the fields and here's these beautiful scenes. You can get these beautiful sunsets, but then you can see where these trees are just like little clumps of trees here and there. Now I do want a little bit of color, so I kind of have my darkening, but closer to you, you can start to make out a little bit of color and then see that reflective light from the sunsets here in Nebraska. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put just a little bit of color in through here and see if we can't get a little bit of that look. Might be a little too orange. So again, if you didn't catch it, I am actually from Nebraska, grew up in Nebraska, mostly lived in small towns, acreages, farms. So I love the feel of farmland, and some of my fondest memories are just standing and looking out over some of the beautiful fields that we had out by where we lived. And so this entire collection really is kind of, you know, the things that now that I live in the city that I miss about living out in a farming area. So I thought I would kind of have the tone of this particular collection really be where I came from and what I remember being some of my more fonder memories of scenes around where we lived, and kind of the beauty that some people may not know because they didn't grow up on a farm. So kind of just sharing some of that with you. But you see how now we have this like just lightly tinted orange. It's kind of what I'm going for, because I want it to almost look like here's your sunset coming down, just reflecting just a touch off of the grasses or the fields. And the interesting thing about living in Nebraska is you can see for miles. So this may not look real detailed, and of course you can see things more detailed when they're really close to you. But when you're looking out over a field, it really does give this kind of illusion of just like these patches of different colors and levels and the hills and things of that nature. So kind of what I'm going for with this collection. I really wanted to portray this a little bit. So I'm really loving where this is going. I'm gonna go ahead and probably let it sit here for a little while. Come back, take a look at it, see, you know, where we are, see if it needs any adjustments once it's completely dry, and then go from there. But I hope that you have enjoyed kind of watching my process and learning a little bit about my new collection.